To build an AI agent, we need to follow 3 steps. Number 1, a trigger point. Number 2, we need to attach an AI agent. And number 3, the output. Let's understand this practically. This is the architecture of every AI agent. First, we need to attach a trigger to an AI agent. Second, we need to attach an AI agent. And then third is action or output. So an AI agent itself has 3 components. Number 1, LLM model. Number 2, memory. And number 3, we need to attach a tool. So to create an AI agent, first we need to attach an event. For example, here I am going to attach a chat. Now the second step is we need to attach an AI agent now. So here are 3 components: a chat model, where we need to attach any LLM model. Number 2, memory part, we need to attach an memory so that it can memorize the previous activities. And number 3 is we need to attach a tool. So I hope now you understood an architecture of an AI agent. Next video, we are going to understand how we can attach a LLM model to an AI agent.